Today we'll prove the trigonometric identity that cosine of pi plus theta equals negative cosine of theta. Let's start by writing out what we want to prove. Let's understand this visually using the unit circle. Here's our unit circle with radius 1, and here are our x and y axes. Let's start with some angle theta. This gives us a point P on the unit circle. Remember that the x-coordinate of this point is cosine theta. Now, what happens when we add pi to theta? Adding pi means rotating our angle by 180 degrees. This gives us a new point Q on the opposite side of the circle. The x-coordinate of this new point is cosine of pi plus theta. Let's observe what's happening here. When we rotate by pi, or 180 degrees, we get the exact opposite x-coordinate. This means that cosine of pi plus theta equals the negative of cosine theta. We can also prove this algebraically using the angle addition formula for cosine. The cosine of a plus b equals cosine a times cosine b minus sine a times sine b. Let's substitute a equals pi and b equals theta. We know that cosine of pi equals -1 and sine of pi equals 0. Therefore, cosine of pi plus theta equals -1 times cosine theta minus 0 times sine theta, which simplifies to negative cosine theta. And that completes our proof, both visually and algebraically, that cosine of pi plus theta equals negative cosine theta. This identity is useful in many trigonometric calculations and proofs.